Which is the largest state in India? Correct answer Rajasthan. Which is the smallest state in India? Correct answer Goa. Which is the largest district in India by area? Correct answer Kutch. How many neighboring countries close India have? Correct answer 7 countries. Which is the largest river in India? Correct answer Ganga River. The largest lake in India? Correct answer Vembanad Lake. The largest cave temple in India? Correct answer Kailash Temple. The largest mosque in India? Correct answer Jama Masjid. The largest delta in India? Correct answer Sundarbans Delta. The largest saline water lake in India? Correct answer Chilika Lake. Subscribe to the channel to get such GK every day. The largest freshwater lake in India? Correct answer Wular Lake. Which is the most populous state in India? Correct answer Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian states has the largest forest area? Correct answer Madhya Pradesh. Which is the largest port in India? Correct answer Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Which is the largest zoo in India? Correct answer Nehru Zoological Park. Which is the largest stadium in India? Correct answer Narendra Modi Stadium. Which is the largest river island in India? Correct answer Great Andaman. Which is the largest museum in India? Correct answer Indian Museum. How many states are there in India? Correct answer 28 states. How many union territories are there in India? Correct answer 9 union territories. Subscribe to the channel to get such GK every day and don't forget to click the bell icon. Which is the largest desert in India? Correct answer Thar Desert. Which is the largest library in India? Correct answer National Library of India. Which is the largest airport in India by area? Correct answer Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Which is the largest dam in India? Correct answer Tehri Dam. Which is the longest bridge in India? Correct answer Bhupen Hazarika Setu. What is the largest railway zone in India? Correct answer Northern Railway. Which is the largest city in India? Correct answer Mumbai. Which is the second longest river in India? Correct answer Godavari River. Which is the highest state in India? Correct answer Sikkim. Which is the smallest river in India? Correct answer Arwari River. Subscribe to the channel to get such GK every day and don't forget to click the bell icon. Which is the least populated state in India? Correct answer Sikkim. Which is the smallest city in India? Correct answer Kapurthala. Which is the smallest district in India? Correct answer Mahe. Where is Bhupen Hazarika Setu located? Correct answer Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. What is the length of the longest bridge in India? Correct answer 9.15 kilometers. What is the largest power plant in India? Correct answer Vindhyachal Thermal Power Station. Which is the first sea bridge in India? Correct answer Pamban Bridge. Which is the highest railway bridge in India? Correct answer Chenab Bridge. Which bridge is called India's engineering marvel? Correct answer Chenab Bridge. Which is the largest iron and steel plant in India? Correct answer Bhilai Steel Plant. Subscribe to the channel to get such GK every day and don't forget to click the bell icon. What is the largest nuclear research center in India? Correct answer Bark Center. When was Bhupen Hazarika Setu inaugurated? Correct answer 26th May 2017. Where is the Vembanad Bridge located? Correct answer Kerala. Which is the longest sea bridge in India? Correct answer Bandra Worli Sea Link. Which is the longest national highway in India? Correct answer NH44. From where to where does National Highway 44 of India extend? Correct answer Srinagar to Kanyakumari. What is the largest commercial center of India? Correct answer Mumbai. What is the smallest commercial center in India? Correct answer Gangtok. Which is the largest union territories of India by area? Correct answer Jammu and Kashmir. Can you answer this? Let us know in the comments. Which is the coldest state in India? Subscribe to the channel to get such GK every day, and don't forget to click the bell icon, like the video and share it with your friends.